Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have secant of 3x to the power of 12 under the cube root. So in this situation, number 12 divided by 3, we have secant of 3x to the power of 4. When we put this one outside the root, next, this one we can put secant of 3x squared and secant of 3x squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Secant of AS equals to tan a squared plus 1. Next, this one we change by this one, and we have like this. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan 3x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to number 3 secant of 3x squared dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one in here we change by du over number 3. So this one we have u to the power of 5 over 3. So this one multiplied by u to the power of number 2 and number 1 in here. And now we have like this. So this one we have 11 over number 3. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And I will put about c in here. So for this one, we have u to the power of 11 over 3 plus 1 over 11 over 3 plus 1. And the second one, 5 over 3 plus 1 over 5 over 3 plus 1. And I will put about c. This one in here, we have 14 over 3. This one we have 14 over 3. This one we have 8 over 3. This one we have 8 over 3. About u, that is about tan 3x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.